Every day of the year, the helicopters of the Great North Air Ambulance Service are ready for action. Here's one of the team, our pilot, Miles the Bear.
Hello everybody! This is my helicopter. It's known as an air ambulance because we fly to rescue injured and seriously ill patients. It's a tough job, but I love it. I couldn't do this on my own though. I fly with a paramedic and a doctor who look after the patient. Are we ready to go, team?
All set, Miles.
Out of the city, a group of friends are having a fun day out. Robbie has fallen from his bike and broken his leg. The nearest hospital is over an hour away. Thankfully, when you need it, help is always on hand.
Right, we'll be as quick as we can. Okay team, Robbie needs our help. Hold on tight. We're ready for takeoff.
Up and in the air in no time at all, the air ambulance is the fastest way to get help to Robbie.
Don't worry, Robbie. You're in safe hands now.
Safe in the helicopter, all Robbie needs to do is keep calm and enjoy the view. The next day, Robbie is recovering in the hospital, talking about yesterday's events. His friends have even brought him a surprise. Now Robbie's back on his bike, and every time he hears a helicopter overhead, he looks up and thinks of the day Miles and his team paid him a visit, and he smiles.